Okay, so this is the final question, and I've divided this into two parts. First thing we're going to do is work out the cost of everything. So Omar thinks that if he makes his own lunch for a whole year, he will save enough money to buy a new laptop. Is he correct? Explain how you decide and any assumptions you make. So before we do anything, what we need to know is how much money will he save. So I've put here that Omar works 48 weeks a year because he gets 4 weeks holiday, so he'll need, now I've calculated, going on the information, that he'll need 1 loaf of bread a week. So if we go to here, a loaf of bread is 18 slices. So if he uses 2 slices a day, that's 5 days, that's 10 slices. So that will give him plenty of bread, and if he puts it in the fridge, it will help keep it fresh. Now, a pack of tomatoes. So a pack of tomatoes is a 6-pack, so he can use a tomato every day. A pack of cheese, and a pack of cheese, 10 slices, so that will give him ample cheese. And a 6-pack of crisps. Obviously he'll have a bag of crisps at the weekend if he wants it. So we need to put down the costs. So a loaf of bread a week is 74 pence. So this is 74 pence. A pack of tomatoes is 88 pence. A pack of cheese, cheese is 1.95. So we have £1.95, and a 6-pack of crisps is 87p. Now we'll also need some water. Now 500 milliliters, so he'll want 5 of these. So he'll want 5 times 500 milliliters of water, and he'll want that each week. Okay, so at 43 pence for 500 litres, he'll need 5 lots of that. So that will cost him £2.15. 5 fours are 20, 5 threes are 15, so that gives me 215 pence. So that will cost £2.15. Okay, now that's a week. So for 1 year, the bread would be 48 times the 74 pence. The tomatoes again would be 48 times 88 pence, and it's the same all the way through the list. So cheese would be £1.95 times 48. It doesn't matter which way you write this, 48 times 195 or 195 times 48. It's exactly the same. Helps if you spell cheese right. Crisps would be 48 times 87, and then water would be £2 15p, again times 48. Excuse me. So now what we do is we go to our calculator and we calculate all of this out. So 48 multiplied by 74 would give us 3552. So remember that's pence, so 3552. Now 100 pence in pounds, so that would be £35.52. Then we do the same, 48 multiplied by 88 gives us 42.24, so that will be £42.24. Now we have £1.95 multiplied by 48 will give us £93.60. So we have £93.60. Sorry, this must be very dull for you watching me calculate this out, especially if you know exactly what you're doing. 48 multiplied by 87 pence for the crisps would be 4176, so that would be £41.76. And then you'll be pleased to know finally £2.15 multiplied by 48, and that would give us £103.20. This is £103.20. Okay, so this is for 1 year cost. So now what we would do is we would add this up. Okay, so I'll do this in the break, and then when you come back I'll have the final answer. So I just add these together to get a final cost,